Hello and welcome to Mace Drum Studio. My name is Alan, and if you've been following along in my lessons, so far we covered the quarter note and the eighth note, and in this lesson we're going to look at the 16th note. Here's a little recap of our last few lessons. In the first lessons, we wanted to make sure we have a nice, relaxed grip, not too tight, not too loose. In the previous lessons, we learned about the quarter note, and the quarter note gets 4 beats. And then we learned about the eighth note, and the eighth note gets 8 beats. So what do you think the 16th note's going to get? That's right, it's going to get 16 notes. And we count it like this: 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. And just like that, the rhythm makes you want to move your head. So with the quarter notes, we get the 4. With the eighth notes, we get the 8. And then we double that again for 16th notes. What does that sound like? Let's apply it to the drum and find out. So I'm going to start with the quarter notes. I'm going to add the eighth notes, and then I'm going to switch to the 16th notes, and you'll hear the difference between them. So it sounded like that I was playing faster, but I wasn't playing faster. I was playing at the same tempo. I was just doubling the amount of notes. Here's what it sounds like one more time. So for most of the exercises, we've been doing right, left patterns. But this one, we're going to change it up just a little bit. So the first two, we're going to go right, left, left. And then the second half, we're going to go right, left, left. And it should sound something like this. Now I'm going to play this really slow at first, and then we'll speed it up a little bit after that. A little bit faster. And a little bit faster. Here's another pattern with a little different sticking again. So this time we're going to go right, left, 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 and then repeat that over and over again. It should look like this. And don't forget, if you can't get the sticking down right away, you can just practice your right, left, left. Okay, so some practicing tips. Try to keep a nice steady pace. Start off slow, build your speed up gradually. Remember, keep a nice relaxed grip and practice, practice, practice. Practice makes perfect. That's all you got to remember. All right, if you're enjoying my videos, please follow along and don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.